Hello students, welcome to English class. Did you watch the video which I had sent you last day? We Are the World by Michael Jackson and Lionel Richie Jr. How was it? Wonderful. You enjoyed it. Okay. But did you understand the words? Did you understand the lines? Did you get the lines? I think the answer will be no. Okay. Because even though you can enjoy, I think sometimes the words, the lines won't be so clear. You might not have got a clear idea about the song. So we will come to the song. We Are the World is a song you have to study in the first unit. Okay, so we'll come to, it's a simple one. There is nothing difficult, but we have to go through the lines and we have to understand the meaning. Okay, the title of the song is We Are the World. We stands for all the people, each one of us. We are the world. What may be the meaning of that? What may be the meaning? Okay, the whole world is our family and all the people, okay, our brothers and sisters. So how should we live here? We should love each other, we should help each other, then we can lead a happy life. So that's the main idea of this song. Okay, so we'll come to this. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. We listen to a certain call, and what is that call? And what is mentioned in that call? The world must come together as one. What's the meaning of that? The whole world, all the people should work as a single unit or a single family. Okay, there are people dying, and it is time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. What's the reason? There are people dying, and here dying may be in a wider sense, in order to show that there are many people who are suffering many difficulties, different types of difficulties. Okay, the people who are suffering. So what's our duty? It's time to lend a hand to life, to lend a helping hand, to help our fellow being, to help those people who are dying. It's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. What is the greatest gift of any human being, or what's the greatest gift of all? No doubt it is our life. So what's our duty while we live here? To lend a hand to life. That means to help our fellow beings, to lend a helping hand. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We can't go on pretending, acting. And while we see sometimes people suffering, people who need some sort of help, what do? We pretend we don't see, or we think that it is not our duty, it is someone else's duty. And if we think likewise every day, that someone will help somewhere, people somewhere, someone will help, there won't be a change. If we need a change, what should we do? We should be ready to lend a hand to life. That means we should be ready to help others. And what should be our feeling? We all are a part of God's great big family. The whole world is a family. And who is the father there? God. Almighty. And what about the people? All the fellow beings are our brothers and sisters. We should be ready to help them. We should consider the world as a family. So we know that while we live in a family, we will be ready to help each other, cooperate each other, love each other, etc. So while we take the world as a family, we will be ready to help others, to lend a hand to life. And the truth, love is all we need. And if we have to develop such an attitude, what attitude? All the people in this world are our brothers and sisters. How can we make it possible? If we love this world, love is all we need. If we have love to our fellow beings, we'll be ready to help them. Okay, that's the idea of the first part. Then coming to the second part, we are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. We are the world. We refers to all the people here. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. Who can make this world a happy one? Who can do it? Each one of us. It is everyone's responsibility. So let's start giving. So what should we do? Let's start giving. We should be ready to accept this and we should be ready to help others. There is a choice we are making. There's a choice we are making. What's the choice we are making? What choice? Either to help others and to make everyone happy, or neglect them, don't help them, and make them sad. So if we have to make this world happy or unhappy, it is our choice. If we have to make this world happy, what should we do? We should help others. We should lend a hand to life. So that's why it is mentioned there is a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. We are saving our own lives. While we help our fellow beings, we are helping ourselves. It is true, we will make a better day, just you and me. So who can make a better day, or who can make a happy world? Each one of us, you and me, everyone should think. If we think that someone else will do, it won't be possible, or there will be no change. If you want to make a change, each one of us should be ready to help others, love others. Send them your heart so they will know that someone cares and their lives will be stronger and free. Send them your heart. How can you send them your heart? Is it possible to send your heart? Okay, so here the meaning is that do possible helps to the needy people, to give them whatever you can. So they will know that someone cares. So they will understand, even though they are in a helpless situation, they will understand that there is someone to help them and their lives will be stronger and free. And that will help them to lead a strong and free life. So we know that while some disasters happen, maybe in the form of a natural calamity, maybe in the as we have seen a flood or a landslide, we know that there are many people to help them, to support them. And if there is no one to help them, their life will become miserable. And it is each one of us duty. As God has shown us by turning stone to bread, so we all must lend a helping hand. So there is a reference to Bible, and that is God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And what may be the singer intends here? stone is not so useful to humans, but if that is turned to bread, the food that is needed for people. So the meaning is that we should do some help to the people. That means we should do some useful thing to our fellow beings. So turning stone to bread, doing something useful to our fellow beings, something that is really beneficial to them, helpful to them. So what should we do? We all must lend a helping hand. So that idea, that expression is repeated here. To lend a hand to life, to lend a helping hand. That means we should help the poor, the needy people. And as we have seen in the beginning, there are people dying. There are people dying of hunger. There are people dying of sickness. That means there are people suffering with various problems. So, and it is our duty to help them. When you are down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe there is no way we can fall, well. When you are down and out, while you are fully disappointed, while you lose all your hope, while you think that life is meaningless, and you, you become hopeless. And in such a situation, if they believe that there is someone to help them, there is someone who will support them without falling, they will become strong, or that will give them the the desire to live further or to fight their difficulties. Okay, so it's our duty to help suffering and needy people. It is our duty to support them without falling. Let us realize that a change can only come when we stand together as one. When will there be a change in this world? While we stand together as one, as a single unit. We know that in the case of a family also, if all the family members stand together, help each other, support each other, that will be a good family. They can lead a happy life. But if they are standing separate, we know that there will be no happiness. Likewise, it is the duty of each one of us who lives in this world to make this world a better world, to make this world a happy one. And how can we make this world a happy world? By supporting, by helping those people who are in real need. We should be ready to help other people in our best possible ways. And for that, we should have a wide outlook. We should see the whole world as our family and all the human beings as our brothers and sisters. And we should love them, care them, and support them. So that's the idea of this poem. We are the world. So now, children, you read this song many times, and okay, then afterwards listen to the video which I had sent you, and I think there is nothing difficult there, and also do the questions. Okay, so we'll stop for today. Thank you. We'll see you next day.